notice, if you notice the snow on the roof of that car, it could fly off at any time and hit the person behind. There was actually a story last winter or the winter before where a large chunk of ice went through somebody's windshield and actually impaled them. I believe they survived, but it would cause some serious injury. They ended up in hospital and everything. So I guess just be aware that sometimes your bad decisions will affect other people. Highway 41, northbound. Just heading into the A&W drive-thru to grab a quick bite to eat. Okay, the A&W drive-thru. Hi, can I get a double teen burger combo, please, with a Diet Coke?
Okay, anything else?
No, that's it, thank you.
Okay, so 1331.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
No, definitely not Great White North Corvette with Quebec license plates. Evening drive, heading straight north right now. Obviously the sun is setting to the west. Thanks for watching Dashcam TV. Truly appreciate the support. If you're subscribed already, that is very awesome. Thank you so much. We love each and every one of you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, all you've got to do is click that button. Just go ahead, click that button and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. I'm now southbound on the same stretch of road. Just had to make a quick trip to the store. We're getting on to mid-February. It's close to 6 p.m., so as you can tell, we're starting to gain those daylight hours back, which is always really nice. We're going to try another driving in the snow video. I did hear the plow go by at about 4:30 a.m. this morning. It's close to 7:30 now, so that's about 3 hours ago. The road isn't in terrible condition, considering. Still not going too fast, not quite 60 kilometers an hour. I probably can speed up a little bit, but not too much. It is a little difficult to see the center line. But as long as you keep to your side, you don't really have any problem with oncoming traffic. Thanks for watching Dashcam TV. Truly appreciate the support. Picked up a few new subscribers, so I'm up to 74. Truly appreciate everyone who has subscribed already. And if you haven't done so, please click that subscribe button. Remember to like this video and comment below. If you're planning on buying anything on Amazon today, please use my link in the description and comments below. It would really help me out and really help this channel grow. truly appreciate the support. Also check out the link to Wealthsimple. Again, that's a great app for investing. I've definitely driven in way worse road conditions than this. This really isn't too bad at all. But remember, when you are driving in any type of weather, drive accordingly. Coming up to the stop sign at the end of the road. Just going to pump the brakes a little bit to make sure I don't slide. Thanks for watching Dashcam TV. Please hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. Till next time.